Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I hope you're all well. Just to give you an update of my spending for the month of September. My goals were to do some more decluttering in the wardrobe and get some more stuff out that I can sell. That wasn't achievable because I've been so busy. Start my Sagittarius savings challenge, which my intentions are all for that, but I'm not going to start it until the first week of October now, because I've just run out of time. And I did make sure all my bills are paid on time for this month. I did want no takeaways this month as well, but I don't think I achieved that. I think I've broken the rule. And also the fifth goal, monthly goal, was 20 days of no spend. So let's see what's happened now. How many days of no spend? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I've had 23 no spend days, and I think that is such a good start. But I did spend on the 18th, I spent 50 pence to put air in my tyres for my car. And even though it might be just 50 pence, I still have to be, aware of where it went. On the 20th, I gave my daughter £30 for petrol because she came down to do my hair, and she doesn't live around the corner from me. She does have to rack up a few good miles, so I always give her petrol money because she doesn't take any money to do my hair from me. But I always insist that she takes the petrol money. I also spent £18 on hair products that same day as well. The following day I went to the local cafe and had coffee and snacks with a girlfriend. And that was nice to get out of the house and do that. That was £15. But before I done the air in the tyres on the 18th, on the 16th I had a takeaway from Mum's, my favourite Caribbean shop. I love their food. I enjoy it so much when I eat it, so I just had to break the rules because it was like I was craving for Mum's, so I broke the rules. Now I don't know, on the 22nd I spent £440 for my chairs to be reupholstered, and I'm not sure if that would be considered a spend because the money was allocated already. It was inevitable. I was just waiting for them to call in the chairs, so I'm not quite sure if you would call this a spend. Let me know down in the comments what you think. I just put it there just to make a note and be accountable as to where that money went, but I don't personally consider it a spend, because as I said, it was inevitable and the money was allocated for it already. And I really do think that I've done really well this month. I'm really chuffed with my 23 no spend days. I want to just spend for the necessities really. I don't want to just keep going out and spending money and then just really upset with myself, thinking, why did you do that? Or you didn't need that, you shouldn't have, or whatever. So I'm really glad that I'm able to really keep a lid on things now. This month as well, I know that I have saved £136 from my roll the dice. I've got to count that up and everything. There was £3 left on the dice, £3 left to roll on the dice, but I'm not going to bother including that in my next savings challenge. I'm just going to add the £3 in and just count it all up, and then that can pop off to the bank. These are all my notes for the September bills. The bills just under £515 for these particular bills that I talked about on my last video. I always have £50 buffer, and I also try and keep at least £280 in my account at all times, just in case these direct debit people decide to take money out when they feel like it, because sometimes it happens and I'm not happy with them when it happens. But just in case, I just try and keep that money. Sometimes I can't keep that amount, sometimes it's less, but at least there's something there. So I'll be setting up my October one very shortly. So on that note, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Another thing is, I have now reached 500 subscribers, and I'm really chuffed with that. I thank you so much for all your support and cheering me on. I really appreciate it. And I would like to do a giveaway, so I'm working on that as well. It will be an international giveaway because I have set some money aside for the shipping, but I will keep you informed as to how that is going. Again, thank you so much. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.